Hi, it's AutoCADer. On this video I'll tell you how, when and where AutoCAD files are auto-saved. I'll also show you how to restore lost files. Sometimes there are situations like sudden power cutoff error. In result, PC is turned off and AutoCAD file is lost. But there is a way to reduce impact on such events on your work. First, let's say something about autosave. Open AutoCAD options by either clicking on AutoCAD logo on left top corner and selecting options at the bottom, or simply type options in the command line and hit enter. Now move to Open and Save tab. There is a group of settings named File Safety Precautions. First, you can specify a number of minutes between autosaves. This is set by default to 10 minutes. You can increase or reduce this if you want. However, note that this is not recommended to go any more than 10 minutes. Autosave is automatic and usually do not cause very long lag in AutoCAD. Autosave files are saved on your C drive within Temp folder. For full path, go to Files tab, expand Automatic Save file location. There you'll see this path. Let's open it on Windows Explorer. Remember that this folder is not reserved exclusively for AutoCAD only. It contains a lot of temporary files for different applications and Windows features. AutoCAD Auto Save files does have extension $SV. The best way to find file you're looking for is just use Windows search option. Just type name of the drawings which you want to restore and it will find this file for you if autosave file is available. Now just copy $SV file to required location, change extension manually from $SV to DWG and you'll be able to open this file in AutoCAD. Let's get back to save options. There is also a box named Create Backup Copy with each save. This means that every time you hit save on your drawing, actually there will be two files saved. First, DWG file, which is your master AutoCAD file, and second, BAK file, which is a backup file of your drawing and will be saved in the same location as DWG file. Similar as for $SV files, to open BAK file in AutoCAD, just manually change its extension to DWG. There is another type of temporary files in AutoCAD with extension AC$. This, however, does not contain any drawing data. It contains only information used by some AutoCAD features and commands. These files are not useful for restoring lost AutoCAD drawings. So, to sum up, if you want to restore AutoCAD files after unexpected AutoCAD shutdown error, go to Temp folder, look for $SV files. Alternatively, you can just open AutoCAD. Usually after unexpected shutdown, Recovery Manager should appear, where AutoCAD will search for you any DWG, $SV or BAK files related to the drawings which you've had open before shutdown. Just click twice on the one of the files to open it in AutoCAD. This knowledge should help you to reduce potential loss on your drawings caused by sudden close of AutoCAD. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also visit my Facebook and Twitter pages where I'll be posting AutoCAD quick tips. Thanks and see you around.